If you're looking for a way to keep the kitchen clean while making a fantastic dinner, today's recipe is the perfect combination of sweet, tangy, and mess-free. Howard shows us how to make honey lemon chicken in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, one of my pet peeves about a recipe, no matter how good it is when it's cooked in a skillet and it splatters all over the stove. That just makes me nuts. That's because the last thing I want to do after a long, hard day is scrub my stovetop. At times, there's no option. But if I can avoid the mess by turning a recipe into an easy, splatter-free one-pan oven favorite, I'm all for it. Here, for example, we begin by melting some butter and pouring it in a baking dish and setting it aside while we combine some flour with salt, pepper, and a little paprika. Next, we dip pieces of cut-up roasting chicken into the flour and place it into our butter-lined pan. Make sure both sides of the chicken get covered with the butter. After baking this, we take it out of the oven, turn it over, and baste it with a buttery honey lemon glaze that we made while the chicken was roasting. Then, back into the oven it goes. Once it's cooked through and the coating is golden, it's done. See how easy and splatter-free this was thanks to our oven? All that's left to do is spoon the pan drippings over our roasted chicken and dig in. To get the recipe for our mouth-watering honey lemon chicken, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a buttery lemon way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.